Hey YouTubers, here's my latest project. It's a Z125. I've been doing some custom things to it that, you know, a lot of people do to Z125s, like stretching it. Just put the Chimera 4.5 to 6.5 stretch kit on the back. Got the brakes done, still using the original rear brake line, which is just flipped back here and then rotated down and under and straight back. Waiting on a chain. The chain I ordered, which is, can't really see it hanging there, is a 428 instead of a 420 they sent me. Super bummed because I'm just ready to ride it, but figured, well, since I can't ride it, might as well show you a couple of things that I've done to it to make this one unique. I did do a phone mount. Got the Chimera handlebars and some cheap clip-ons off eBay. I put a KLX140 clutch cable on there with a minor modification down here, which, let me put a little light on this because I don't know if you can see it or not. Right there I put a washer on that side and got rid of the bolt that's normally over there to give it just the perfect amount of slack to be able to adjust the clutch properly. So phone mount is this little shiny ball here. I used a tech mount that they had on sale for 17 bucks. Couldn't beat that because it's normally about $60 or $70. And then I mounted a steelie mount to it. A lot of work went into that and a lot of thought. I had to create a put a little rubber bushing in there that expands when you tighten it down, and then snap that on, and it is on there tight. I mean, it is not coming off. You can mount your phone right there, which makes it nice. Let's get to the fun stuff though. Turn it on here real quick for you. I put speakers on it and an LED kit. I also have the LED license bracket back here as well. But here's the cool part. It gets pretty loud. Yeah, so definitely something I haven't seen other people putting on their Z125's speaker system. I had to do some serious modification to the speaker system. It's a Boss. You can see one of the speakers right in here. And the way it's mounted in, I had to use some auto body hot glue, like you'd use for dent repair and dent removal, to kind of glue them into here. But also had to cut down the speakers as well so that they would actually fit in there. So you can see I'm still got my chain cover off over there. I'm waiting on that chain. That's all I really need is that to be able to be ready to roll. So, but definitely wanted to show this to you because not too many people are putting speakers on their little bikes. I have speakers on all my bikes. I got on my ZX10, got on the Vulcan 650 as well. Also put down here, you have a voltmeter, so you can monitor your battery power, and it also is a USB port. There's actually 2 ports down there, which you can plug in to charge your phone. You can still turn your handlebar all the way around, no problem. So I usually thread that through there, then close it. Anyway, but it's important to be able to have a phone charger. The next thing is going to be a GoPro mount, which I haven't decided where I'm going to exactly put that. I normally carry one on my helmet, and so that's another reason why I have a charge port down there. But it's nice to be able to tell what your battery's doing as well. So I'll probably do an LED headlight and get the chain on there, and that's about all I'm going to do to it other than get a more comfortable seat. If anybody has any recommendations, if you're watching this video, brake line, what you recommend as far as, is it extra 5-inch or extra 6-inch to the factory? What are you guys rolling with who have the Chimera set up? Let me know in the comments. I'd greatly be appreciated. Also painted the exhaust black. I plan on keeping the stock exhaust. I like to be able to hear my music and stuff when I'm cruising. So I'm trying to think what else. I want to do some black pegs because I want everything to be blacked out, and I'll probably take the shock off and paint the shock as well, make it black. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, let me know. Leave some comments. Thank you very much for watching.